Hey, this is Matt from Parent Presence. Today I'm going to show you guys this portable vacuum cleaner. Full disclosure, the company did send us this product to test, but still going to be giving you our honest thoughts on it, tell you what we like and what could be a little bit better. So it does come with a couple of attachments, which is cool. I did charge it up, so it's super easy to charge up. You just plug it into a USB-C and then plug it into the back right there. It did come with an extra filter as well, which I thought was really nice. So this is it. It's very lightweight, easy to hold. I do like the way that you could take it out. So the filter right there blocks it. I know on some vacuum cleaners, when you open it up, like the stuff just goes everything. But here, you know, you really have to actually take out the filter, and then you can throw stuff out, which is cool. So I'll put this attachment on. I'm going to show you guys how I would clean underneath the couch cushions right here. So the attachments are easy. You can just pull them in, take them out. So this piece also just comes out. So pretty easy to put things in and out. Okay, let's go under my cushions right here on the couch. Show you guys. So there's some crumbs down there, if you could see. Just try to pick these up. It's not super loud. It's a little bit. It definitely makes noise, but not super loud. It's definitely not the strongest vacuum cleaner in the world either. So if you're looking for something like really heavy duty, this probably isn't it. Like for crumbs on a couch though, like this is great. This is just what you need, something for your car. It takes 3 hours to fully charge, and then the charge lasts for 30 minutes. So yeah, there's a lot of crumbs underneath here. So doing a good job of picking that stuff up, as you can see. Gets the job done, worked pretty well. Thank you. Yeah, it worked great. Thank you again to the company for sending us this to test. That's what you're going to get.